Many theorize that aliens or extraterrestrials come from distant galaxies, while others suggest they are an advanced species that has been living beneath the Earth's surface for millennia. No matter the truth, one thing is clear: UFO and alien sightings have surged dramatically in recent years. So let's explore these chilling recent UFO sightings that might just leave you in awe and fear.
StarXtreme.
Teleporting orange UFOs over China and Europe. China, being the third largest country in the world, is bound to have a large number of UFO sightings because of the huge landmass it covers, and this sighting just added to that eerie list. The exact location of this sighting is unknown, but it took place somewhere over mainland China. At first glance, you would think that it's a rocket taking off into outer space. But on zooming in, you will realize that the trail of smoke that this UFO is leaving behind is still bright at multiple points, that too in the straight line. You can actually see the UFO disappear and then appear ahead, as though it is teleporting itself. But in addition to doing so, it is also leaving behind a glowing ball of energy, which slowly fades away. A similar teleporting bright orange UFO was also seen somewhere over Europe. This orange UFO was also teleporting just like the UFO seen over China, the only difference being that it was leaving behind only two energy balls which gradually disappeared. If the aliens possess such advanced tech like teleportation, should we be worried? Battalion of UFOs seen over the UK. UFOs are often seen alone. Sometimes maybe 5 or 6 of them together, like in the case of the orange orbs hovering over the US Capitol. But never has an army of UFOs ever been seen in the sky, until this last sighting that took place in London. Homeowners noticed something odd in the sky. Initially they thought they were just stars. But these stars were extra bright and were also moving ahead slowly. The onlookers were shocked as they thought it was some kind of an attack from an enemy country, but those orbs continued to move ahead steadily in the sky. At one point of time, you can actually see somewhere close to 20 UFOs in the sky. Are the aliens lining up their UFOs in the Earth's atmosphere for an imminent attack on our planet? Triangular UFO seen in Toronto. Triangular UFOs have been seen all over the world. And on one occasion, a triangular UFO was even filmed by the US Navy. The video was recorded by US Navy personnel, and was captured with a night vision camera from the destroyer USS Russell in 2019. Most conspiracy theorists believe that these triangular UFOs are just reverse-engineered anti-gravity crafts of the US military, called the TR-3B Astra. While there is no proof to back this theory, more and more of these triangular crafts are showing up all over the world. Like this recent sighting that took place somewhere over Toronto, Canada in May 2025. The eyewitness spotted 3 bright lights high up in the sky. She started recording these lights, and on zooming in, you can see that these lights are equidistant from each other, forming a perfect equilateral triangle. At one point, you can clearly see that these 3 lights are emanating from a single craft. If this is indeed a US military spy plane, why would it give off such bright lights, alerting the onlookers below? 2 bright orange UFOs hovering over New York. The sightings of bright orange orbs high up in the sky have gone up exponentially in the United States. Like the bright orange orbs that were hovering over the US Capitol in November 2024. And now 2 similar orange orbs were spotted over New York. These 2 orbs could also be seen high up, but not stationary like the US Capitol orbs. They kept moving in the opposite direction from each other at a very slow pace. And then after going far apart, the orb on the left became stationary for some time, and then started moving towards the orb on the right. The pace at which the two orbs were moving looked like they were trying to monitor the area below for some kind of information. 2 UFOs shot at by US military in Afghanistan. A large number of UFO sightings have taken place over military bases. Like the jellyfish UAP seen over the US military base in Iraq, and also the metallic sphere seen over another US military base in the Middle East. And now another UFO sighting took place over a military base in Afghanistan. 2 orbs were spotted right about the base, and sensing some kind of threat, the military attacked the orbs. But instead of disintegrating, there was just a plume of smoke near the orbs, obviously caused by the missile hitting them. And when the smoke disappeared, you can see the orbs are still in the same position, totally unaffected. But you will notice that after being hit by the missiles, the orbs started leaking some kind of liquid from below, which goes to show that some damage was inflicted. The orbs were initially being recorded with a forward-looking infrared camera, but on recording them with a normal camera, you can see that the orbs were giving off an orange glow, like the UFOs mentioned above. Why are so many orange orbs being spotted all over the world? Are the aliens planning something that we need to be prepared for at a global level? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. And be sure to subscribe to the channel for the latest revelations in space exploration and UFO sightings. Hit the bell icon to stay updated, and let's continue to explore together.